How to upload HD photos on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that the photos or pictures that you are trying to upload are already high quality and are in HD. Now, once you do that, keep in mind that when using Wi-Fi, Facebook will automatically upload the photos or pictures in the highest quality possible. However, if you are using mobile data to upload photos to Facebook, then you need to do this. Go ahead and open up your settings and then search for data saver and click on it. Then what you need to do is you need to turn off the data saver to allow your mobile device and the Facebook app to use the however or whatever data it needs to upload the photos and pictures using the highest quality. And at least do this when you are trying to upload the pictures. You don't need to keep this off like all the time. Just turn it off when you are trying to upload the videos to make sure that you're allowing Facebook to use the maximum data possible that it needs to upload the pictures in HD. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload the photos and pictures on Facebook in high quality or in HD. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.